Guatemala is a multicultural, multilingual, and multi-ethnic country, but after the internal armed conflict, they tried to remove the historical memory and they stole the cultural identity, promoting social and racial discrimination and increasing poverty. However, people do not see themselves as victims because they fight to change their reality, are hardworking, committed, visionary, and love their community. Quetzaltenango is located in the southwestern area of the country and is one of the 71 emerging cities in Latin America and the Caribbean. It's a city of service where magic happens, because in one territory are traditional and contemporary expressions, because native and foreign cultures converge. Poverty, inequality, lack of cultural identity, unemployment, unsanitary conditions are words that become reality for vulnerable groups of Quetzaltenango. That's why in Centro Cultural La Quinta, located in the rural area of the city, we try to palliate the social and economic problems, providing free education, sports recreation, and vocational training to people with limited financial resources, with the transverse axis of cultural identity. In Red de Gestores Culturales de Quetzaltenango, we combine efforts and create cooperation between artistic and multidisciplinary partnerships to represent the cultural identity of neighborhoods and communities of Quetzaltenango and give answers to the different needs of the population. The Geocam Guate videoblog is a reflection of social tourism and seeks that local and foreign visitors understand the context of our communities, because travel is discover the cultural and natural wealth, but also discover the intangible border of our country. These are my career goals for the next 5 years. Establish cooperation networks with digital media for the dissemination of sustainable tourism in communities across the country. Create a digital platform to bring together Guatemalan and foreign travelers and promote community tourism and at the same time, multiculturalism. From Red de Gestores Culturales, we will make annual art festivals in neighborhoods to share history and traditions, and it will be a platform for emerging artists where they can express and become generational replacement. In the Centro Cultural La Quinta, I will make a community theater manual to implement theater about historical memory, cultural and gender diversity, to create content that promotes more equitable relationships, about a recent success and a current challenge. I graduated this year from university, and it is a personal but also a social success in a country that is ranked in 102 of 140 countries in Latin America and the Caribbean about higher education. Now, the challenge is make sustainable the community projects and keep increasing the number of volunteers and beneficiaries to create more opportunities for the people and for me. About my roots. I was, 3 years ago, like most young people in my country, without historical memory, without interest in our roots. But I start travel and understand that we cannot move forward without knowing where we come from, and I'm still on this journey, knowing and respecting diverse cultures around me. So, through my profession as a journalist, I share the need to accept the multiculturalism in Guatemala and do not repeat the history of the Quiche grandmother who hid her roots to their grandchildren for fear that they were discriminated against. I want to be selected to potentiate my intercultural leadership and share the knowledge to the future community leaders. Being part of the cohort will mean enriched by the cultural diversity of the members and the teachers and create a strategic linkage for sharing plans and replicate viable projects in my country. Also, take actions to promote equality between cultural diversity and where realities for gender equality exist outside the books.